Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable your disabled apps on your Android phone. So if you accidentally disable this, so sometimes you can go to one of these apps and you can accidentally disable it by hitting it down here. All you have to do is go to Settings, scroll on down to Apps, right here, and we can go to the app that's disabled. And it should say disabled on it. So we have this app, for example. It'll say disabled somewhere down there. So let's scroll on down to an application. Here's the camera. You can see this has an option to be disabled right there. So I think this is only applying to things that came with my phone. So we can disable this one. So you can see it's disabled right there. And then I can press it. And I should have the option to enable it under here. And I believe there's an option in the top left. If we go to the main app screen, we can just go to Reset App Preferences. And this will reset your disabled apps to enabled too. So we can just go to Reset. And all your disabled apps will be enabled now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.